Hey, it's Rob of Big Green Egg to introduce to you our new external Bluetooth dome thermometer. And check this out. So you turn it on, it's backlit where you can see it. It is digital LCD screen. It also can be removed just like this. You can see you can bring it in, and then it also has this convenient cover to keep it outside with the Big Green Egg logo on there. So we're gonna put this back, put that back on, and you can see here, let me just show you that real quick. It has for a USB connection so you could charge it. Put it back on. I'm going to show you how easy this is to connect. We downloaded it from the App Store, in whether you got Google Play or Apple. And I'm just going to hit the search equipment button, hit OK. And look at that, 71, 71, I'm all connected. I can set to a high and low temperature, and it also has an alarm that I can set that'll also give me different tones if I want. I get to pick those. And you also get a timer right here, which is great if you have to time the food. You can go back to the home and just see your cook, and there you go. All right, that is our new Bluetooth dome thermometer. More information, log on to biggreenegg.com.